The Finance Ministry and the Reserve Bank of India have rejected media reports claiming that the central bank sold gold worth $12 billion to support India's foreign exchange reserves. The reports had alleged that the RBI sold approximately $12 billion worth of gold during a 2-week period ending on May 22nd amid pressure on the rupee and a rising import bill. The RBI clarified that its physical gold stock remains unchanged at 880.52 tons as reported in its monthly bulletin. According to the RBI's annual report for 2025 to 26, the central bank's gold holdings actually increased during the financial year rather than declined. The total of 880.52 metric tons of gold held by the RBI, 312.32 metric tons are maintained as assets of the issue department, while 568.20 metric tons are held under the banking department. The RBI also reported that the value of gold held under the banking department increased by 63.6% during financial year 2026, driven by rising global gold prices and the depreciation of the Indian rupee against the US dollar. India's foreign exchange reserves stood at $691.11 billion as of March 31st, 2026, up from $668.33 billion a year earlier. The value of gold reserves, including gold deposits, rose to $115.40 billion from $78.18 billion in the previous year. The RBI's audited balance sheet and reserve data show that the central bank continues to maintain substantial gold reserves, and official records do not support claims that gold worth $12 billion was sold. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.